Here, we see Rahul, the wild student returning from a day or night of hard work to his room. If we watch carefully, we notice that the nocturnal creature has once again misplaced his room key and backpack apparently. Don't be Rahul. Always have a way to open your door, with knock unlock. Now, we see the prototype of knock unlock in action. With the right knock that Rahul set earlier himself, he can open his door just by knocking on it. Let's take a look at how Shaurya and I made this happen. This is the save button. Hold this while entering a knock to tell the system to save it as your secret knock. This is our actuator. When the system detects a knock that matches the saved one, it tells the motor to push the door lever open, hold it open for the knocker to enter, and finally retract it to close the door lever again. Since we used a massive 12-volt DC motor to manipulate the door handle, we had to power it with an external power supply, limiting our portability. Pro tip, make sure you do more research on the power needed to actually open the door and to run a motor before buying it. This little chip right here, aka the H-bridge, was used to control the movement of the motor. The system can send signals to the H-bridge telling it if the motor should be on and which direction it should be rotating. Another pro tip, this little guy saved us a lot of time, space, and debugging that we spent trying to build an H-bridge with transistors from scratch. The red and green LEDs here were simply used to signify if a knock was saved, was correct, or was incorrect. Last, but most definitely not least, is the Arduino 101 microprocessor, the brain that controls everything we just mentioned. Furthermore, it has an onboard accelerometer we use to detect, record, and analyze the door knocks. And that's how Knock Unlock works. Special shout out to Shaurya, the expert videographer and co-inventor of Knock Unlock, and to Professor Briggs for dealing with our mishaps throughout the quarter. Thanks for watching.